Three things you're doing wrong. I would wager if you don't have your first million views on YouTube yet, you got the wrong mindset. Here are some examples. If I upload videos to YouTube, they will promote them for me. If I upload consistently, eventually I'll be successful. If I upload my best content, people will find it. If I upload cool thumbnails, people will click on them. If I upload great content, I'll eventually be successful. Even the top gurus are teaching the wrong mindset. But let me go into the right mindset, okay? The right mindset, simply said, is fair exchange. Quid pro quo. Give and take are other words for it. Contribute, complete, and crush. This is the right mindset you want to take with YouTube. YouTube is giving you space in their network for free in exchange for your participation, your promotion, your sending people there, and your contribution for them to run ads on it. So the right mindset when it comes to YouTube is they are your partner. They are there to partner with you. What can you do about it? Well, before we can get into that, we have to look at the symptoms. Okay? A lot of people on YouTube these days are complaining about low view count, low click-through rate, low impressions, low scores, low subscribers, low reach. And it brings to mind, I want to share with you a story. It's a true story. I was in my 20s and I went scuba diving, and when I came up, I had a tinnitus and I had a ringing in my ear. And so I went to an ear, nose, and throat specialist, and I paid him to diagnose my hearing condition. He said it was congenital. The cause is a deviated septum. I didn't know what that was, but it turns out it's part of your nose. I said, well, I was scuba diving and I just heard fine before. He said, I can do surgery on your nose. I asked, well, will that fix my hearing? He said, no, but if I did the surgery on your nose, it would fix the cause of why you have tinnitus when you scuba dive. I said, no, thanks, and I walked out of the office. So a lot of you think of YouTube kind of like that. Okay, so if you want to have surgery done on your nose to fix your hearing, it ain't going to help. That's why we put this course together. So what do you think? What does YouTube care about? There are three things.